to the Storytelling Festival. It's happening this month at the Oklahoma History Center.
And that's right, and here to tell us more about it are Steve Hawkins and Ray Allen. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Glad to have you here. This is exciting. You know, we like to think we're good storytellers, but it turns out there are professionals out there, and they'll be at this festival.
You bet.
Yeah.
Some great ones, too.
Absolutely. This has been going
Nationally
on.
recognized and international ones.
And for 30 years it's been going on, I understand.
Yes.
Who are some of your featured performers this year?
Well, this year we have Don Davis and Sid Lieberman and Bill Lepp and Lynette Ford. So they're all a great lineup internationally. Some of them have done international things, and then also, you know, nationally and locally recognized all over the United States. So we feel fortunate to have them, because some of them we have to get like 3 years in advance.
Oh, wow, really?
You know, yeah.
That is amazing. Well, now, I mean, like we were saying, we're big fans of storytelling. There really is an art to it. These are the people you want to invite to your parties because they're really entertaining. Is this for people to go and watch storytellers, or can you go and learn how to be a better one?
Basically, it's come to watch and enjoy and you know, experience, and you meet a lot of new people. But also we have workshops, including some for families learning how, you know, storytelling and events. So we have lots of interest all through the days of the festival. Yeah.
And Steve, what does it mean for this to take place at the Oklahoma History Center?
Well, we're so proud and pleased to be able to host this for the second year in a row. And what more appropriate place could you have it than a history center? Traditionally, history has been conveyed by telling stories anyway, spinning yarns, if you will. So it means a lot to us to be able to host such an event.
Now, do people need to get tickets ahead of time? Is this something that you want to get the whole festival's worth of tickets, or how does that work?
I would encourage people to do that. The attendance has always been very, very, very good. But again, you can go to the website or call the Arts Council and get tickets that way.
Okay.
Okay. And also, you're kind of expanding a little bit outside of the History Center for Story Slam, I understand, over in the Deep Deuce District.
Yes.
What is Story Slam?
Story Slam is an open mic storytelling event, and you have to sign up, you know, by 6 p.m. and the stories are limited to 7 minutes, and they're related to a funny thing happened on the way to my becoming an adult.
Oh my goodness! So do a lot of times these turn into like almost a stand-up comedy routine, or there's just serious ones too, or a little bit of everything?
Mixture of both.
Yeah.
There'll be some serious stories, and then there'll be some that they're not trying to necessarily make them comedic, but they turn out to be that way. So it's great. It's great entertainment. Time passes so fast when the storytellers are doing their spiel.
Oh,
It's really cool.
That's really neat. And one more thing is the poetry stand. Tell us about that.
Yes, we have a new feature this year, the Oklahoma Poetry Stand. Artist Carrie Shaddad, and you can come up and give her a word or a little blurb or something, and she'll make a poem for you. She may lead you into some questions or forth. This is something new. Happened there at the atrium at the every night at the events. So that's something fun too.
Yeah,
and free.
And free. Well, hey, that's always
Free's
good.
always good, you know.
Yes, we don't mind that at all.
That's perfect. And so, once again, where can folks go to get tickets and find more information?
The best place, you know, is online at the Arts Council, or call the Arts Council. Tickets will be available at the door.
Okay.
$10 for each evening performance, or you can buy a package for everything for like $75, or it's kind of like an a la carte thing if you'd like to do that also. So if you're interested and want to go, the $75, if you want to do the workshops and so forth like that, then that's a great deal. Great value for a lot of good entertainment.
Oh, you can tell it's going to be fun, too, just having you guys there. Just you talking about it, you can tell how excited you are for it to come up. So, well, this is great. Thank you guys so much for coming in and telling us all about it.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
We'll have to sign up, Abby.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm sure our audience would appreciate it.
I think so, too. Well, coming up here next, we got an amazing young Oklahoma singer about to take the live stage.
Yes, and here she is. It's Olivia Kay performing next for us. Keep it right here on KSBI.